Hello, my name is Yordana Sharu, and I am from the OSU campus in Columbus, and I am graduating in 2 years. I am a major in chemistry and criminal justice, and I find the 18th Avenue Library very helpful. I especially find the 18th Avenue Library very convenient because it's at the school and they have a cafeteria and like near the school and they have a cafe actually in the library. And the library is open 24 hours, so you can stay there as long as you want. Sometimes I even sleep there. They have about 20 libraries around campus, and I feel that the 18th library is very helpful because they have study rooms that you can reserve for yourself or when you have other friends to do group projects. And I find myself most of the time at the 18th library from school other than classes because I find the library very comfortable over there to do my homework and to study. And they have very helpful staff that can help you direct you whatever you need. And they also have some books that you can borrow, and they have some computers just because you don't have a computer, which I feel like is very helpful for students. If they don't have a computer, then they can just go to the library. And I find this picture right here is the 18th Avenue Library, and these are the insides and outs of the library, like how they look like and stuff like that. Um, I feel like this should be the main place for new students to go to if they don't know where to go and stuff like that. You can easily find this library once you get into the school and like when you go to your classes and stuff like that. Um, I really do think this is a great place in OSU because um, I find it very helpful to go to the library and find stuff that you need, research and stuff when you don't have a computer, or you can actually find somebody or to help you to find something. So I definitely recommend going to the 18th Avenue Library if you haven't been there already. Thank you and have a good day.